Hello and welcome to Dad Got This. We are back with the Ninja Woodfire Grill for another part in this epic series. Today we are air frying. What are we air frying? Well, the plan was to make some buffalo wings, you know, small little wings. But I went to my local Publix to buy wings. Oh mama, the wings were like $6 a pound and all they had was the little drumettes. So then I went and I looked at chicken drumsticks, the big ones, and they were like less than $2 a pound. I don't know if there is a run on small chickens or something, but guess what? We are doing drumsticks, big ones, in the buffalo chicken style. And because you can't just eat giant wings, I have some Brussels sprouts. I love Brussels sprouts. I was the kid who ate his vegetables as a child. And crispy Brussels sprouts, I get them at every restaurant they offer them at. It should be fun. Before we get into it, I would love it if you would consider subscribing if you've been watching the videos and you just haven't done it. Consider it. I would really appreciate it. About like 60% of you guys who watch these videos aren't subscribed. Why not? It doesn't cost you anything. Just hit the little button. All right, we'll get into it. The good folks at Ninja sent Dad a Woodfire Grill to review. They have no input on any of these videos I make. The videos are 100% my opinion. They don't see them before they go up. I did get to keep the unit. Just wanted to be upfront about that. The first thing we need to do is wash up our Brussels sprouts and get them chopped. We are going to chop them into fourths to make them nice and small. Smaller things cook faster in the air fryer. We're going to use some simple seasoning, pepper, a little bit of salt, some garlic powder, onion powder. Dad just has his pre-mixed. And we're going to coat the whole thing in avocado oil. It's a nice high heat oil, which is going to let us put the air fryer up really hot and get these things super crispy. Be generous with your seasoning. Go a little light on the salt. You can always add more salt later, but you can never take salt away. Give them a good toss, and they're ready. The nice thing about this recipe is we are going to use the exact same seasonings on the chicken. Yeah. Avocado oil, salt, pepper, garlic powder, onion powder. Be liberal with it. Give it a nice coating. Don't forget to turn your chicken, toss it around. Make sure you are coating all sides of the chicken so we get good flavor on everything. It is Dad's opinion that it is not buffalo without a good blue cheese dressing, and we are going to make our own using sour cream, some Japanese mayonnaise, some lime juice, and of course, blue cheese. Just put in a good amount of your sour cream. We are going to basically go to an even ratio. So however much sour cream you put in that amount of the mayo. Now I'm using Japanese mayo. It's just a little bit different, got a different flavor to it. Pinch of salt, pinch of pepper, a little bit of lime juice. This comes together really easily. And then throw in a bunch of blue cheese crumbles. Now for some texture and a little bit of color, we are going to put some fresh parsley, dice it up really nice and small, and toss it in with your blue cheese dressing. Give it a good mix, and when you are done, you will have a fantastic blue cheese. Give it a taste, and adjust seasoning. That doesn't need anything. That's good. I'm ready for food. One last thing before we get to the food part, we need to add a little bit of heat. Now Dad's got two sauces here because Dad can take the heat, the family cannot. The easiest way to make a quote-unquote buffalo sauce is to melt some butter and mix in your favorite hot sauce. So that is the mild version, and this is the blow your socks off, dang that's hot version. We're all prepped up. Time to preheat the air fryer. Both the chicken and the Brussels sprouts are both gonna go at the same temperature, about 390. So we'll do the chicken first, because then that can kind of rest a little while the Brussels sprouts cook. Sound like a plan? Let's do it. Time to fire up the old Ninja Woodfire Grill. Set it to air crisp. Pick a time and a temp, and press start. It is going to start preheating, and it'll tell you when to add food. When it says add food, add food. Here's a little air fryer tip. Make sure you do not crowd your air fryer with too much food because it works on airflow. Alright, it's been about 15 minutes. We did flip the chicken once halfway through, and it said the food was done, so we're just going to go ahead and temp these and see how they are.
Okay, they're definitely done temp-wise, but I want these a little crispier. We're gonna go see how hot this goes. Goes to 450. We're gonna give it like a minute or two in here at this 450 temperature. You really can't overcook chicken drumsticks. Oh man. Those look good.
Now that those are done, we're just going to go ahead and start the process over again for the Brussels sprouts. 390 degrees, about 15 minutes. Spread them out nicely so that there's good airflow all around them, and we'll check on them in a bit. All right, we're halfway through the cook, and I did something really dumb here. Don't do this. Don't shake it like this. You can totally scratch your grate. I got lucky, and I didn't.
I think these guys are done. Wow, what a cook. This stuff looks fantastic. I'm just gonna dig in and give it a try. Get these hot sauces out the way. All right, take a leg, pop it into blue cheese dressing. Ooh, that is good. The skin is crispy. The trick to this is to make sure that you do the heat high enough. I'd probably maybe start it at 400. You really want to get the skin as crispy as possible. Let's try the Brussels sprouts. Oh, those are good. I usually do them with some sort of sauce, either like a soy honey glaze. I didn't have time for that today. They're good just as they are, even in crispy, that Brussels sprout flavor. It's good with hot wing sauce. Take some of your hot wing sauce, pour it over your Brussels sprouts. Oh yeah, that's good.
I think I just invented buffalo Brussels sprouts, hot wing sauce, and blue cheese. Fantastic.
I would say the Woodfire Grill in an air fryer setting did very well. Crisped up the Brussels sprouts nicely. I like that it kind of tells you to flip the food, monitors things, has a little countdown timer for you. That's nice. If you'd like to get one of your own Woodfire Grills, Dad has links down below. They are affiliate links. They help Dad out. They don't cost you anything else, but you can get that Ninja Woodfire Grill or a whole bunch of other stuff. Ninja stuff, I have Amazon links down there. It helps Dad out. I would appreciate it. Man, this is good. One of the benefits of air frying outside is you don't stink up your house. Brussels sprouts can get quite stinky when you cook them. No problem out here. Open air. That's gonna do it for this part. I think I have a couple more things to test on this. There's a whole bunch of other videos on the Woodfire Grill you can check out. Links are in the description. Dad may have had to pull an audible and go with giant chicken drumettes for his hot wings, but Dad doesn't do outros, so that's it. Bye.